Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
साडिसिमरा घटफड्या बर्चबाय रोमियो लेन क्लबात उजो लागून 25 जाणांक मरण आयले. ह्या प्रकरणा उपरांत क्लबाचो धनी सौरव आनी गवलो लुथराक अंजुणा पुलिसांनी अटक केल्ली. ते ज्युडिशियल कस्टडीत आशिल्ले. हे केसींत आतां तांकां जामीन मेळ्ळो.
Yes, finally it has been granted. It's a conditional writ with the usual condition. We don't have the copy of the judgment. It has been pronounced. So once the judgment copy is available, we will know on what grounds it is pronounced.
So the amount?
Amount is I think 50,000 surety and 50,000 bond. But all those details are related. But he has pronounced. But basically they are usual conditions of the case. Now we are not pursuing it. We have filed an regular bail application before the AFC. So we will pursue that application.
मजगती डॉक्युमेंट फोर्जरीच्या केसींत दोगांय जाण म्हापसा पुलिशेच्या ताब्यात आसात. ह्या प्रकरणात म्हापशे JFC कोर्टान तांचो अटकपूर्व जामीन न्हयकारिल्लो. ते आतां परत म्हापशे पुलिसांच्या कस्टडीत. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.